going on there, my DP peeps, huh? It's Josh with DepriveD Productions. We're back in Blender 2.8 with a third modeling tutorial. We got this box. We ain't gonna need this box because we're gonna talk about curves today. A few curve tricks. A couple things though, guys. No more Blender 2.79, just 2.8 from here on out because it's pretty much ready and it's freaking awesome. And I had a few technical difficulties the last few days, so I apologize for being gone, but I'm back. Let's get it done. Press X and get rid of that box. Press X and get rid of that camera. X and get rid of that light because we ain't gonna work with Eevee today. Just simple stuff here. So check it out. Shift A, right? We're gonna bring in a curve instead of a mesh. I'm gonna go up here and make sure you got all the options here. Hold that up arrow there. I see circle. I'm gonna grab that circle. I got a circle there. Grab it on the Y and bring it over here. Okay. Let's go ahead and name it circle. Okay, I'm saying just to be safe. All kind of capital letters here. I'm just being careful. Shift A again. Okay. Let's do it again. Let's grab a path. Okay. Now let's grab it on the Y. Now, we got the two curves that we're going to actually use to modify our curve. I want to make sure I name this line. We'll just name it line. That's just fine. Okay. I think I've got caps lock on. Yep, sure do. Ta-da. But anyway, go Shift A one more time, and let's grab another path. It'll be here in the middle. Grab it on the Z, and we're going to bring it up, because this is one we're going to toy with, okay? So we got a circle, we got our path, and we're going to use these to, or our line, and we're going to use these to mess with this. So let's shift squiggly on over here a little bit all slowly. I'm gonna get up on my line here. It's a curve. Press tab. Look at all these options here. At least the little dots, right? I can grab it on the Z, just like I would anything else. You see it creating a curve there. I can grab that one on the Z. I can grab that one on the Z. Grab that one on the Z. I could have some fun with it. I can grab these two, right? Right-click, subdivide. See what happened there? It added one in there. We can get a little more complicated. We got like a S thing going on here. Okay. Kind of what's going on there. And I can press tab, and I've got me a little curve here. You're like, nice. We can do a little more than that. It's kind of boring. Do a little better than that, okay? Looking at it all boring. Okay, so while we got this thing selected, remember, we still got our curve and our line and our circle. While it's selected, I want you to click on this tab right here. It's like the curve modifying tab. See, geometry, when I click down on it, we're going to get two options, geometry and blend. Now on blend, click on the object and pick the circle. Whoa! What just happened? About to show you what just happened. The size of this circle now, if I press S and size it, is adjusting the size of the tube. It's like it's a big old tube now, son. It's broken. If I go too big, but about right there, I like that. You know what I'm talking about? Leave it about right there and shift squiggly in. You know what I'm talking about? Got a little bit of an S that's sideways and wrong. So I mean, but you're like, that's cool, but I'm gonna do better than that. So if I click on this again and go to the geometry here, we're gonna click our line. Boom! That's right. It's nothing. It's dead. Shift squiggly a little bit. But I mean, what's going to happen is I'm going to go to edit mode while this line is selected. Okay. I'm going to select all these points. I've got all 5 selected. If I grab on the Y, watch this. Okay. It's bringing it to life a little bit. It's like bringing that circle to life. You know what I'm saying? Let's put it about right here. And now I want to just grab the middle one. I'm grabbing the middle one. I'm going to grab it on the Y, bring it on out here because it's pregnant. It's got a big old belly. You know what I'm talking about, all fat. I could grab these sides over here and go the other way on the Y. Oh, okay. You see what's going on there? It's kind of like little points. You're like, okay, pretty sweet looking thing here. Go back to tab or go back to object mode. Click on this bad baby. And what's funny is I could still keep going. So it's still got all its dots and stuff here. So I could click on this one right here. What E? You remember what E does? Extrude. I can go over here, and I can E again and bring it over here, and bring it over here, and just keep going. And there for a second, it kind of looked like a real broken Nike sign, and now it's just embarrassing. So I'm gonna be done with it. Press tab, and I've got this very odd shape that some people might really enjoy, but I'm not sure if I do just yet. But we can't really edit it much, right? I mean, yeah, I can go mess with the lines, but what if I want to really edit it like we do our models? Don't need that. While we're in object mode and it's selected, click on object, go down to convert to. Now, once I click this, it's going to go into a normal mesh that we can go in and subdivide and all that nonsense. And we cannot change the curves. So before you do this, you got to think, you just remember you're done. You are done with the curves. Well, I'm done with the curves. Click. If I press tab now, maybe. Oh, I messed up something. Broke everything. Point is, let me shift squiggly and get back over here. If I press tab while it's selected now, boom. We got our edit mode. You know what I'm talking about? We got all our stuff there. So now I can go up to faces like we usually do and hold Alt and click right here and then extrude on the Z or extrude on the S down, extrude sample down. I could do it again here and ES again because that is kind of cool looking. You know what I'm saying? And go right here and Maybe do it. Oh, God. Maybe. Oh, nope, don't do it. Maybe right there. Yeah, ES one more time. I kind of like what I'm doing. So now I'll go back in. There we go. I got this thing with all kind of stuff, and it looked pregnant for a little bit, but that pretty much broke that. But guys, there you go. A couple curve tricks. You kind of, and now you, like I said, you could go back in and click on this bad baby and press delete, or like I said, you can click on it and press X, and it'll give you the option to delete. That's fine. And then do your shift squiggly and all kind of shift squiggly. I keep pressing the caps lock button. But look what we got. We got this little curve. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, guys. I don't know what it is, but now you know how to make things curve and kind of bevel. You know what I'm saying? You had some cool stuff there. And when you're done, like I said, when you're finished, you can, like I said, object, convert to, and you will have your mesh. And you know what I'm saying? You can toy with it like this. So thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate you. Blender 2.8, tutorial number 3. So yeah, say goodbye to 2.79, but I appreciate you guys watching that series. It was kind of cool. Just a few tutorials. Guys, like the DepriveD Productions channel. Subscribe. YouTube all day. Hit the Facebook page. DepriveD Productions. We love you guys. Miss you guys. Back on the road. Had a few days there. A little scuff. Kind of broke a couple things. Had to fix them, but I'm back at it. Got all kind of cool stuff. Releasing the new track next week. Can't wait for y'all to hear it. Besides that, cool tutorials, a new ethereal update, and all kinds of other neat stuff. Something really special. We're almost at 500 subscribers, and once I get there, I'm going to give you guys something super special. That's right, for you guys. So get ready. Check it out. I'm going to go shift squiggly a little bit more while y'all toy with this, learn some stuff, get back at me, holler at me if you have any questions, learn something, do something, make it happen. Peace.